Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the cell or range that contains numbers separated by spaces. You need the values as text or numbers. If Excel treats them as numbers, convert using text to columns or prefix with an apostrophe. Once selected, decide whether to remove all spaces or only those between digits. This choice determines the formula or replace pattern. Now, press Ctrl+H for replace, or prepare a helper column for a formula approach. This starts the cleaning step you will execute next. Now you perform the transformation. If you want a quick fix, use Ctrl+H, find a single space and replace with nothing. This removes every space immediately. Make sure to preview with replace all carefully. If you need precision, enter equals substitute A1 in a helper column and fill down. This preserves originals. For complex cases where only spaces between digits should go, use a short VBA or array/rejects method. Once the formula returns the cleaned value, copy and paste values to lock. Finish by replacing originals with cleaned results. Copy the helper column, then paste values over the original range. This preserves the layout and removes formulas. Make sure to format cells as number or text according to your needs because Excel can auto-convert and change leading zeros. If cleaning did not work, remember non-breaking spaces may be present. Use substitute A1 char 160 to remove them. If things still fail, undo and test on a small sample before repeating on full data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.